Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today, look at that, I reached for that lever without even looking. Well, I was looking at the monitor. Today's demonstration is going to be on a unit with the Sanyo brand. This comes from RM Auto Restorations in Lakemore, Illinois. Thank you so much for your business, Ron. This fine unit here, although it's branded as a Sanyo, I'm pretty sure that it's actually made by Automatic Radio. Automatic Radio put out a variety of units with this general style. Some had tuners, some didn't. Some could play 2 and 4-track tapes, some couldn't. But the main attraction on this general type model is this front panel head adjustment. This is super handy. If you're playing a tape that was recorded out of alignment and you're double tracking, you just give your head a little bit of adjustment there, and then you're perfectly on the track again. So that's a really nice feature. So we're going to go ahead and turn this puppy on, make sure everything works before we send her back. I'm going to hit this. It just has an FM tuner. And it takes a couple seconds for the electronics to fire up. Okay, we're going to look at our output level meters, make sure we're getting output on both channels. Okay, work our balance control all the way right, left, right, left. Okay, go back to our unit, and we'll just run it down a few stations. Make sure we pick up a few stations here. This is not a conversion, so the reception may not be as good.
A former and Hawk State Department advisor on says the U.S. had to.
But it does pick up the low-power classical station, so that's nice. And we're not going to run all the way down to dial. Customer knows that the radio is already good, so as you can see, we're picking up a good number of stations, so that there's no real need to continue with the FM tuner. Let's go ahead and pop a tape in here and make sure that the 8-track works. That was the main reason it was sent in. What do we feel like listening today? We'll try some Bonanza guitars, and then we'll also pop in a more familiar tape so you can make sure the speed's correct. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty, quick meter check, both speakers. Okay, switch tracks 3 more times. Alrighty. Okay, and now we'll pop in some Anne Murray, something more familiar, so that you can make sure it's running at the right speed. Got to keep the song short so that the copyright police don't come after me. A song there, so we'll just wait for it to, and we'll check, make sure we got silence between songs, and we do, meaning that the alignment's good. And it's either going to switch tracks or start the next song. Okay, it's switching tracks. Okay, so we'll just wait for there we are. Alrighty, full tape out. Radio comes right back on, so that completes the test. It wasn't a whole lot to test since this is not a conversion with all those bells and whistles, Bluetooth and USB and aux input and all that stuff. Just a basic FM-8 track unit that the customer requested be repaired to original stock, which we were able to do. So I'm going to get out of here. I am Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player that either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also perform FM conversions on classic car AM radios, either with or without an 8-track, and I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, brighter sound from the 8-track. Who knows what else by the time you're ready to send a new unit. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we will see you next time.